How to fix logging into TikTok with Facebook. This tutorial will show you several methods to fix the problem quickly. First, make sure both TikTok and Facebook are updated to the latest version. An outdated app can sometimes cause login errors. Next, open the Facebook app and confirm that you're signed in to the correct Facebook account linked to your TikTok profile. After that, open TikTok and try logging in again using the Continue with Facebook option. If the issue still isn't fixed, go to your phone's settings and search, find both TikTok and Facebook. Tap on Storage and clear the cache for both apps. Once that's done, reopen the apps and try signing in again. You should also check your internet connection. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can sometimes resolve temporary login issues. Another method is to open Facebook. Go to Settings, then Apps and Websites, and make sure TikTok is still connected to your Facebook account. If it's missing, reconnect it and try logging in again. If none of these methods work, uninstall and reinstall TikTok. Then attempt the Facebook login one more time. That's how to fix the TikTok login with Facebook problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more TikTok troubleshooting tutorials.